Module 0. Introductory module. Module 0 works as an introductory module. It contains information on 2 overviews related to the course and the TOEFL IDP test. It also contains a diagnostic test as input to determine a student's proficiency level in English. Course overview. Provides an explanation with an overview related to the whole course. 2. It is easy to understand and structured in a friendly pathway. It tells you what the content will be. 3. You can read each slide to better understand and even reread them if prompted. TOEFL IDP overview. The overview tells you the importance of the TOEFL IDP test worldwide. It explains how the test is structured, but also the scoring and timing of each section. You will also review its advantages and more. Diagnostic test. The diagnostic test has been structured to mirror an actual TOEFL IDP test. It incorporates the most suitable content for students who are intent users and will also be used as input test. Thank you.